Hey guys, what I wanted to show you today was some fixes for an issue that's been going on with some of the more recent Windows 11 updates, and that's when File Explorer tends to crash on us. It can crash whether if we're just opening it up or as we're just kind of navigating through it, it may kind of crash on us. So I just kind of want to show you a few fixes here we can try to get that resolved. The first is going to be clearing the File Explorer cache. To do that, we will go open up our File Explorer and go to these three dots and select Options. From here, we want to scroll down, staying in the General tab, and at the bottom there's a Clear option. We just want to make sure that all these options here are selected and click Clear, and we'll click OK. And then the second thing is we want to change one of those options. By default, as you can see, when we open File Explorer, we are in the Home tab in the Quick Access. So sometimes the Quick Access can fail on us and can be the culprit of the crash. So to get around that, going up at the top where we can change where File Explorer opens to, we want to change the default to this PC and click Apply. So now if we reopen File Explorer, it will open in this PC instead of home, which is bypassing the quick access to get around Windows File Explorer crashing upon opening it up. Another thing you can do is opening up a command line as an administrator and running commands such as sfc scan and DISM. I'll link those commands in the description so you can just copy and paste those. Another good thing, since this is a Windows update issue mostly, is just by going into your settings and just checking for Windows updates and making sure that you're all up to date with those. But other than that, but if there are any Windows updates you need, you will want to reboot your computer afterwards. And even if there isn't any, just getting a good clean reboot is always a good option. But other than that, thank you guys for watching, and I hope you have a good one.